Today, I'll show you how to add money to Webull. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, knowing how to fund your trading account is essential. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open the Webull app and sign into your account. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, make sure you do that from your device's app store. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the screen and find the transfer section. This is where you'll manage all your deposits and withdrawals. Once you're in the transfer section, the next step is to tap on deposit. This is your gateway to adding funds to your account. After you tap depot, you'll be prompted to choose the currency for your deposit. Webull supports various currencies, so select the one that matches your bank account to avoid any conversion issues. Once you've chosen your currency, Webull will display the banking details you need to fund your account. This information typically includes the bank name, account number, and a special reference number just for your transaction. It's crucial to copy these details accurately, as any errors could delay your deposit. With the bank details in hand, open your banking app or access your online banking account. You'll now need to send the money using the information Webull provided. Remember, including the correct reference number is vital for Webull to identify your deposit properly. Without it, your funds could end up in limbo, making it harder and more time-consuming to resolve. After you've completed the transfer with your bank, head back to the Webull app. Here, you'll find an option that says, "I completed my transfer." Tap on this to notify Webull that the deposit is on its way. This step is important because it helps to expedite the processing of your funds. Now, it's a waiting game. Webull will process your deposit, but keep in mind it may take some time for the funds to appear in your account. This delay is perfectly normal, so don't worry if you don't see the money immediately. And that's it, you've successfully added money to your Webull account. With these funds, you're now ready to start investing and taking advantage of all the opportunities Webull offers. Thanks for watching and happy trading.